So we're coming to the crater in Kalaupapa, and there it is. Oh, and that's where the shrimp are? In the water?
I can't remember how many feet deep it is, though.
Wow. So there are two species of native shrimp that are in there.
No, one.
One species, and it's the clear shrimp.
I found the bottom of that yet, haven't been trying to dive into that with it. Like, it was like, started getting worried,
The world's deepest lake with the smallest surface area.
basically the truth.
So is it 700 feet deep? Is that what it is?
It's over 800.
Over 800 feet.
Wow, 800 feet.
From the bottom depth. What we don't know is that along the north shore, north rim of the right here, there's a possibility that there is a cavern that extends out off to the side, which is the only lower stuff down through.
Wow. Okay, world's deepest lake with the
Here's
highest
Shama
surface
coming from down below there.
area.